Hi to all. Today we are going to make Thai chicken fried rice in Hamare style. For that we need onions, cabbage, spring onion and fresh chicken. Here we are going to marinate chicken. So add 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and mix it well. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now you can see it is marinated nicely. Now take oil in a pan. Once the oil become very hot, fry the chicken pieces for 1 minute at a high flame. Now take them out. Keep it aside. In the same pan, add onion, fry it for a second. Then add cabbage and spring onion. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes on a high flame. Then add eggs. Once eggs nicely cooked, mix all together. Let it fry for a minute on a high flame. Now add 2 teaspoons of fish sauce and 3 teaspoons of soya sauce and mix it well. Then add half teaspoon of white pepper. Mix it nicely. Now add our fried chicken pieces and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes on a high flame. Now we can add our cooked rice. Mix and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes continuously at a high flame. Now our Thai chicken fried rice is ready. It looks delicious. You can serve hot. If you in this recipe, we have not added any salt as fish sauce already contains salt. If you liked our recipe, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.